Welcome back to my channel. It's another dad day, and today I will be taking leftovers out of our fridge and turning them into pizza. I'm working with an open bag of mozzarella and provolone cheese, an open block of cheddar cheese, and a couple sausages that are grilled with caramelized onions and peppers. I will make a pizza dough video at some point, but for this video, the dough is already made. I'm going to start by dicing up the sausages because I'm going to saute them to render the fat and get them crispy for the top of the pizza. I'll be making a roux here to use the caramelized onions and peppers to make a sauce for my pizza. Now, for those of you that don't know, a roux is typically a mixture of equal parts butter and flour used to thicken sauces and stews, but you can use other fats. And I'm using bacon fat that I have saved from my fridge, as well as a little bit of olive oil. Once I've cooked the flour and the fat together over medium heat for a few minutes and it's starting to brown, then I slowly start to incorporate a little bit of milk while I'm whisking constantly to keep it from burning, as I'm making a cream-based sauce for my pizza. Once I'm close to the consistency I'm looking for, I'll add my onions and peppers and a little bit more milk to finish up my sauce. I'm using the same pot to saute my diced sausages, and I'll just be cooking them until they get a little bit of color and crispiness. I'll add a splash of water just to deglaze the pan. The only thing left is to make the pizza. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more Dad Days.